Before starting with the video, I'm going to make some quick disclaimers. The first one is that we will be using a Grin printer that costs 1,750 tokens. Second, you will have to be on PC in screen mode in order for this to work. Everything I'm using in this video will be down in the description of this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Python. This link right here. You want to click on download Python 3.11.4. That you want to open a file. You want to click on add Python XE to path and click on install now. You want to press yes for it to download. Once it's done downloading, you want to close out of it. You want to search up on your computer CMD, run as administrator, press yes. Now all you're going to do is you're going to go down in the description. You're going to copy the first PMP. You're going to copy and paste it into here. You're going to press Control V. Then you're going to press enter. You're going to wait until it's done. Alright, then once it's done, you're going to do the same one for the second one. And you're going to keep doing this step over and over it until you get to the last one. Now let's move on to the next step. Alright, now we're going to be downloading the shirt printer code. Link's going to be in the description. Once you're here, you're going to press on this green button right here, code. You want to press on download zip. Once you download, you want to open file. You want to right click on it. You want to press extract all. You want to extract to your downloads. Then you want to click on Rec-Room shirt printer. Then you want to open shirt templates. Then you want to open shirt template front. Once you're in shirt template front, I just want to make a few things clear. When you're printing your shirt, this is going to be your front side of the shirt, and your front side of the shirt is going to be 350 by 523. Now you want to print front and back. You just go back to your downloads, go to shirt printer main, go to shirt templates. You will click on shirt template right here. Then you will make sure this is 696 by 523. This is front and back, so double-sided. Now you want to click the link in the description. That's going to bring you over to Photopea. Once you're on Photopea, you want to press the open from computer. You want to go to your downloads. You want to click on Rec-Room shirt printer main, shirt templates. Pick either one you want to do. Front and back, it don't matter. I'm gonna do front and back for this example. Press open. Now you're gonna click on layer, new fill layer, color fill, and you're gonna pick any color you want the shirt to be. It does not matter, wherever you want it to be, just click on it. I'm gonna do black. So on the hashtag, I'm gonna type in 171819, and I'm gonna press OK. Now I'm gonna drag the color fill below the background. Now all you want to do is find you an image you want to use and put in your shirts. If you don't know what you want to use and put in your shirt, I'm gonna have some website designs down in the description that have a lot of memes, other stuff like that, Star Wars, whatever you like, it will probably be in that website. So I really recommend you just check them out and see what image you want. Now let's get started. Once you find the image you want, all you want to do is right click on it, press save image as, and rename it whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna rename it duck 566. I'm gonna press save. I'm gonna go back to Photopea. I'm gonna go to file, open in place, and I'm gonna click on the image I just saved. And now we can scale it down how we want. We can do pretty much anything we really want to it. We can warp it, we can rotate it, we can distort it, we can rotate 90 degrees, whatever you want. Just make sure it's gonna fit inside of the shirt. I also will have a transparent background link in the description in case you ever want to remove the background of the logo. So all you have to do is just upload an image, then go to your downloads, upload the image you just saved, of course, and it will remove the background for you. And you just file, open in place, then put in the image. It's right here. I'll check mark it, then I will place something on the back too. And all we do is check mark, and boom, there we go. Now all we have to do to save it is we go to file, we go to export as, we click on PNG, name the file whatever we want. I'm gonna name it cute duck 123. Make sure our width is 696 by 523, and we make sure our quality is at 100. Then we press save. Alright, once you're back on Rec Room, all you want to do is pause your maker pen, then go to general settings and press delete everything. Press yes. You want to go to your watch, home, store menu, go to inventions, go to search bar, and look up shirt, printer, dorm. It's going to be this invention right here, 1,750 tokens. Once you bought it, just press spawn. Then you want to go back to your watch, back to inventions, then look up board placement. There's going to be board placement seat, not board placement seat v2. It's going to be this one right here. Then you're going to click on spawn. Once we have everything set up, now we're going to come over to the shirt printer over here. We're going to look at front and back. If you are printing a front and back shirt, you are going to have this on true. You're going to make sure variable import is on true. You're going to go over to image width and image height and make sure it is 696 by 523. But if you're only printing a front side of shirt, you're going to make sure front and back is set to false. Then you're going to come down to image width and change it to 350. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be printing a front and back shirt like I said earlier. So I'm going to have this on true, and I'm going to change my image width back to 696. Now we are going to go over to the shirt variable over here. We're going to delete it. We're going to place a new one. Go to palette, look up string variable, add a new one right here. Go to tools, connect, reset to orange pin on the string variable, purple pin to the string right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to configure the string variable, scroll down, click on value. Once you click on value, now just go to your file explorer, go to downloads, go to shirt printer main, double click on it, scroll down the shirt printer, double click on it, open up your shirt, open, make sure you press Y. This is how it's gonna look like. Minimize it, minimize this too. Then once you press yes, you're gonna minimize this screen right here. Then go back to Rec Room and make sure you do not move your mouse or keyboard until this process is done. Now once it's finished, all you want to do is click out of the screen and drop your maker pen. Once we're done importing, all we're going to do is go over to our board placement seats. We're going to make sure we're looking down, then we're going to sit in the seat. Then we're going to make sure that we're still and make sure that we are not moving. Then we're going to go to our home, go to backpack, and click on clothing customizer and press use. Now we're going to pull out our maker pen and make sure the clamp is hooked up to the shirt board. And nope, it is not. So we're going to do the same process again. I'm going to recall our shirt board. We're going to make sure we're looking down. We're going to sit down, make sure that we're still. Go back to home, go back to backpack, and then click on clothing customizer. Pull out our maker pen. Nope. I'm going to keep doing it until it's hooked up on there. Let's do it again. And bingo. Now, sometimes your board may place like this, but that is okay because it is clamping onto the shirt board. But usually you want to have it to look like mine's. But once you have the clamp hook up onto the shirt board like this, you want to delete what's ever on the shirt board. Press clear. Then you want to make the shirt color whatever shirt color you want. I'm gonna make it black. Press done. And you can delete the placement sheet. Go over to the start button and make sure you press it once. Now you just sit here and wait. That's pretty much it to knowing how to print shirts in Rec Room. If you need any additional help, I will be dropping a Rec Room printing Discord server down below. But make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications to never miss another tutorial. Peace out, guys.